Hello there, welcome to our channel. So many of you might have seen this video posted by noted Twitter leaker Ivan Blas. It gives us a pretty good idea about the aesthetic changes the third generation of Moto Razr will offer. We also know the specifications, although some of it are rumors which I will point out as and when we come across. With that said, let's not wait anymore and get straight into it. Starting with the design, as you can see, Motorola is going more mainstream for the third iteration. It is no more inspired by Razr clamshells of old with the distinctive chin and becoming more akin to the popular Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The fingerprint sensor has moved too, now residing on the power button, and we believe this to be much more convenient location. As for display, it's getting bigger, obviously because the chin is smaller and it has additional space to accommodate bigger display, measuring at 6.7-inch Full HD Plus panel. We don't know the refresh rate as of yet, but 120Hz is very likely. Speaking about the crease, it's very subtle. Maybe at different angles it's visible, but it's not that noticeable. The outer display is also getting an upgrade, however it's not that big. From 2.7 inch to 3 inches. It was good from the very beginning, so it makes sense that they didn't give a lot of thought to it. A crucial change appears to be on the inside, with reports suggesting power will come from Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. This means it will be Motorola's first high-end foldable. Previous Moto Razr foldable came with Snapdragon 7 series chip, which are mid-range. They are not bad, although they are not that powerful. Anyways, accompanying it could be 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, along with 256 or 512 gigs of storage, depending on how much you are willing to spend. Now about battery, a well-known Chinese leaker, Digital Chat Station, says that the Moto Razr 3 will offer a 2800 mAh battery capacity. That seems rather low for any phone with a 6.7-inch panel and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip inside. And mind you, that's the same capacity as the Razr 5G from 2020. This will push a lot of people towards Samsung Z Flip 3, which comes with marginally better 3300 mAh, or to the upcoming Flip 4. About cameras, well, nothing has been leaked, but it's expected to come with a 50-megapixel main camera accompanied by a 13-megapixel lens on the rear, so an additional lens for the new Razr. For selfies, a 32-megapixel lens is also expected. The device is allegedly coming in July or August, and it is tipped to cost €1,149 in Europe. This is significantly cheaper than the Razr 5G, which launched at €1,399. Nothing has been officially confirmed yet though. For more such videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.